Hello guys, and welcome to the second video of this trading course. Today we're going to learn about finding support and resistance. The very first thing in trading is not using a lot of indicators. The best indicator is always the price. How stupid as it may sound, the support and the resistances are the best indicators to know what the next move is probably going to be. So, first of all, can I ask you guys to please give this video a like, so it's just good for the YouTube algorithm. And second of all, please subscribe so you can see my next videos. So, first of all, what are we going to do? We go to the daily time frame, and then I'm going to go to my indicators. I'm going to find the auto support indicator. This is just a very easy to use tool to know where the most areas of confidence were. So what I'm doing is I'm using this indicator so I can see the lines, and then I'm going to my drawing box and I choose rectangle, and from here I can easily draw over the lines and make my boxes. So here I can see we had resistance, and here we rejected. So this is a valid resistance box. This one, see, here we rejected as resistance, here we rejected as new support, and here we did the same. So right here I'm going to do the exact same, right over the lines. This one, I'm going to make this green because this is a support. So now we're going to see here, we're going to do the exact same. To drag over. I'm going to the wick, this red wick. Then the next one will be this one, because here you see we got rejected as resistance, and here we found support into this box, and here we found support again. So this one is going to become another green one. I hope that you guys see what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so you get the idea of this. Then I'm going to lock my boxes one by one. And then what I'm going to do is nothing more than zoom in. I'm going to the 1 hour time frame now, and here you can eventually adjust your boxes. You see that these lines are still there. You can simply put this off. So what you see now is nice boxes. It's clean. You know what area you are in. So this is a long. If you touch this line, you can simply put a long, and you put your stop loss below this box, because here are a lot of buying orders. And you can do the exact same here. It touches here somewhere into this box. As long as you're not broke above it, you're still going to short. Okay. Now I'm going to zoom in to the 1 hour time frame. So we know this is resistance and this is support. This is also support. Let me take a drink. I'm going to drink now. So what's the next thing we're going to do? There is not only support below us and resistance above us, we also have the trend lines. And creating a trend line is nothing more than just you're taking this line and then you just go to here to above the price. If you want to really do it exactly, you take the magnet tool and then you're going to draw the lines like this. Okay. I will also lock this one. Lock is with the lock. Yeah, of course. Then I'm going to do it at the bottom also. So, like this. I'm going to connect as much lines as I possibly can. So if you see a wick, wait, let me do this one first. Okay. If you see wicks of candles, just like these are all wicks. This is not where the price closed. The price closed right here at the body. So what this basically means is if you connect the wicks with as much as touching points as you can, and you connected it with this one, then you knew that when the price fell below and it back tested this yellow line as new resistance, then you simply knew that it's going to go down. Because here we see a symmetrical triangle, and symmetrical triangles are most of the time continuation patterns. So in 70% of the cases, the price, it bounces inside here. It's like coiling up, and then it has to release its pressure. Most of the times, it is to the upside. This time, it went to the downside. And what you can see many times is that when a previous resistance or support gets broken, the price will come back to retest that same support or resistance. Let me find an example. Here you can see we went up into resistance. We went here. We broke up and we retested. We blasted through the resistance. We retested this as new support. We did that again and again and again and again, and then we continued further to the upside. We got rejected here. We blasted through right here, and then we went back down to retest this area as a new support area. We went back up. We got rejected. We went down, and we went back up to retest this area as new resistance. And so this way it's going all the time just like this. So here we know that we are in a symmetrical triangle, and the possibility is 70% that we're going to break to the upside, but we didn't. So if you take trades, you only take trades at a breakout, when a candle confirmed to the upside or to the downside. And to be best, 2 candles. Why? Because sometimes a candle can come up, it closes, and the new candle drops down. So if you have 3 candles that stay above, then the likelihood is very high that you're going to stay above. So we knew that this support line was support. It was support here, 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 and here. We broke down and we retested it. So this one would have been a very, very great short opportunity. Now, we knew that the target would have been here, because here is our support area. It was resistance here. We retested this as new support. We did that again. So we knew that our support box was here below. So if you take a short here, and this has to be your target, and let me say you take this, would be the profit taken. It's a 19%, that's huge. Now a stop loss right inside of the triangle. Probably 2%. I will take it 2%. 2.10. Okay. This would have been the trade setup. So now I'm going to watch my bybit trade. I'm up 5,700 US dollars right now. This is still a long. So if you're trading on the 1 hour time frame, this would have been a very, very good trade opportunity. So congratulations to all the people that have took this. So what you're basically doing is you draw your lines, you draw your support and resistance boxes. I've shown you how to do that. So it's better to know where you are with the price and know the possibilities that you're going to get rejected here, going back down. And you know you get support here. Knowing these levels, that's huge. This is your line in the sand. Okay. So this is my second video, how to find support and resistances. I hope that this was very, very helpful. And please, guys, take just 1 second of your time and like this video so it gets some views. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.